Hi guys, welcome to Re-Bath of the Heartland social media page. I am Kim, I'm the sales manager and I don't know, self-appointed design extraordinaire. I am with Dana, who is our marketing manager. And today we are going to talk about this beautiful concrete shower. I love this shower not only because I helped design it, but I'm very partial to the concrete. This is our DuraBath material, which has a wonderful warranty. It is a very, very, very good product. It's very versatile in design. But today we want to highlight a more modern, maybe even industrial type of style with the concrete trend. So if you look in here, you can see the matte black finishes. We have the tile inlay and the smooth concrete DuraBath material. And to me, this just screams ultra modern, you know, just upscale, fancy. You're gonna walk in here and you're gonna wanna sit in here for hours. Wouldn't you agree?
I do agree. And I have seen lots of pictures of these concrete showers. I absolutely love the smooth, like Kim has done here in this shower. But I've seen some stamped in the tile patterns as also, which is the wonderful thing about our DuraBath. You can get that tile look with our DuraBath colors. I will say though that when the designers choose to go with a more modern tile profile, like a vertical 12 by 24 or 10 by 24, this color does look better in something like that than a more traditional tile pattern, which this color does not look good in.
Right, right. Yes, those little tile patterns probably not going to be good for the concrete.
Or even the slate. I think slate is...
Yeah, yes, for sure, for sure. So when we're talking about the concrete, there's so many different options you can go. When I think of remodeling a full bathroom in this concrete, I do like the matte black, but it doesn't mean that it has to stay in the matte black. If your home has brushed nickel or chrome, that is also an excellent choice with the concrete. All of the fixtures that we have available would look beautiful, in this bathroom. We do offer brushed gold, and I think if you were looking for ultra modern, you could throw that in here as well.
Depending on the fixture.
Yes.
Because brushed gold can come in a traditional fixture or it can come in a very modern fixture. It does come in the same fixtures that we have in here, and that I think would look nice.
Yeah. And you know, if you can't see in here, there is a shower one. We do have this really cool rain head in here. So just an array of fixtures that we have available to use. When you're thinking about concrete and you go to, you know, a vanity, there's a couple of different options that you can do with the concrete. When I think of concrete, again, I think of that ultra modern. I want something like slick, not so many design elements. You know, traditional elements have a lot of detail, which we want to steer clear from that. Maybe a shaker style cabinet or something very smooth.
Yeah.
We have a couple of options where we can paint those cabinets. Like you see this cobalt and what's the other color?
Black.
The black. That's a matte black look, both painted. Give you that stylish, modern, not a lot of extra business type of style, which really falls into that. We do have other options too, where we can do a stained look, which I think would be really, really nice. Kind of like a play off of the concrete. You have the concrete that's kind of cold, and then you go to something that's a little bit more warmer here. So this is one of our stains in the shale. It's a really nice cabinet that we offer from Bertch. And then we have this Riverside, and this is our Sable, which is really, really dark. It almost has like a brown tone to it, but could definitely work in a space like this. No detail to the cabinetry, and that's really gonna give you that ultra modern look. Again, all of these are available in a wide array of stains and colors, and our designer would be able to help you choose what's right for your home.
Yes, and unlike some of the traditional styles that we do, the cabinet that Kim is just showing you is actually an alder type wood, and this one is a birch type wood. When designing with modern and industrial looks, you want to stay away from the oaks and the mahoganies and the really grainy looking woods, whereas these you can hardly see any grain at all, so it gives that smooth very contemporary finish.
And if you guys ever have a chance to stop into our showroom, you can see this bathroom and it's completely done, full bathroom. Over here to the side, we do have the black cabinetry with some different finishes, and we topped it off with the Calcutta Laza, excuse me. And this is our Quartz countertop, which is just a perfect accent to tie in this darker style cabinet and to bounce off that concrete. We also have many different colors that come in our Quartz, so again, a designer can come out to your home and choose what's right for you.
What's great about our design consults is they're absolutely free.
Yep.
So you are getting professional advice from a company that's been in business over 40 years. And these designers take their time. Design consults are about 4 hours, and they run anywhere from Monday through Saturday, and we also do evening appointments.
Yeah, so call us, let us know if you want an appointment. Thank you.
See you guys.